Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do schedule in Excel. First, open a new Excel workbook and label columns for days and rows for time slots. Next, input your specific tasks into the corresponding cells. You can easily adjust column widths and row heights to fit your content. Remember to save your workbook frequently to avoid losing any progress. This foundational setup is crucial for an effective schedule. Now, let's make your schedule more dynamic. Conditional formatting can automatically change cell colors based on criteria, like task status or priority. For example, tasks due today could turn red. Creating drop-down lists for common tasks or team members saves time and ensures consistency. You can also easily duplicate sheets to create weekly or monthly views, giving you a comprehensive overview of your commitments. To further enhance your Excel schedule, consider using simple formulas. For instance, you can sum hours assigned to a project or track completion percentages. Data validation helps maintain data integrity by restricting input to specific values, like only allowing numbers in a duration column. For larger schedules, pivot tables can summarize task distribution or resource allocation, providing valuable insights at a glance. Finally, some essential tips for maintaining your Excel schedule. Always review and update your schedule regularly to reflect changes and ensure it remains accurate. It's also a good practice to back up your Excel files to a cloud service or external drive, protecting your hard work. For those looking to keep their car smelling fresh, check out the description for a link to Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals. A well-maintained schedule combined with smart tools keeps you organized and productive.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.